Hi everyone, my name is Melissa van Dijk and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make stuffed eggs with avocado. This is a simple, delicious and budget-friendly meal and it's great for both your health and skin. I personally love having it for breakfast, but it's also great as a snack between meals. So if that sounds good to you, let's take a closer look at the ingredients you will need so that you can recreate it at home. First up, you need 3 eggs, ideally free range. Then half an avocado, regular size, about 0.7 to 1 gram of fine rock salt. Try to avoid sea salt because of potential microplastics. And finally, 1 to 2 grams of garlic flakes. They add a little bit of crunch and extra flavor. Now that you've got everything ready, let's move on to the first step. Start by filling a pot with warm water and bringing it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, gently place the eggs into the pot and let them cook for 10 minutes. While the eggs are boiling, go ahead and wash your avocado. Dry it with a paper towel and cut it in half. Scoop out 1/2 with a spoon and place it on a plate. This is where we'll mix everything together later. I like to chop it into small pieces right away because it mixes better that way, but feel free to do it however you prefer. Next, sprinkle 0.7 to 1 gram of fine rock salt over the avocado and add the garlic flakes. And then set it aside for now. Once the 10 minutes are up, carefully lift the eggs out with a spoon and place them into a bowl or onto a plate. Then drain the hot water from the pot. Refill it with cold water, drain again, refill it again with cold water. And then put the eggs back into the pot for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, take them out. This quick cooling step brings them to a lukewarm temperature, which helps the fats in the yolk and avocado combine more smoothly and soak up the flavors. Now, peel the eggs carefully. Cut them in half and gently remove the yolks and place them onto a plate with your avocado mixture. And then mash everything together with a fork. If you like more texture, just mix it lightly. If you like it very smooth, mash a little longer. It's totally up to you. Take your egg whites and generously fill them with the avocado mixture. And if you have any leftover filling, depending on the size of your avocado, you can put it in a little bowl or just enjoy it right away. Either way, don't hold back. And there you have it, your stuffed avocado eggs. They are full of healthy fats and proteins to help support steady blood sugar levels, making them a really nourishing choice for breakfast or quick snack. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new by trying out this delicious recipe. And if you want to see more healthier and skin-friendly recipes, check out the videos at the end of this video or head over to my YouTube channel, there you will find much more. And I'm now off to enjoy my avocado stuffed eggs. I'll see you in the next one.